Okay, here we got a 1995 Chevrolet Suncruiser RV. Now the lot number I have was listed by Copart is 662-35991, but that's not the number on the windshield. So the number on the windshield 495-77780. I'm assuming that number was from a prior auction where it didn't sell. So I'm sure the number is 662-35991. Anyway, here it is. It's got 56,000 miles on it. It's got a Nevada Salvage Title to it. It shows an enhanced with mechanical problems and bio, and it's selling on approval. It has a 7.4 liter V8 in it. Since it's got bio on it, I really don't want to be going inside and touching anything, but here's the way she looks.
It's a good one for the wife and kids.
Open the door, if it opens, at least we can peek in. I don't want to go in now.
I think the bio is the battery. And
I don't
food and shit. Where they just didn't clean up after themselves. Oh my goodness.
Like been torn apart. You smell? Okay,
There's
shut the
rat
door.
shit in there.
Huh?
There's rat shit in there. Oh, that smells
Well, we're not
terrible.
going in this one, folks.
Ah, yeah.
And it looks like the roof has some damage. So if you're in for a cheap RV, folks, this is it. You're gonna get this one pretty cheap, I think.
Oh,
You okay?
yeah. Those you gotta really watch when you take them. Oy. It's got some damage here.
Yeah, on the side. The bumper and everything looks good and strong. Hitch on it.
The outside don't look too bad. Looks like here's the generator compartment, maybe.
Yeah, that's the generator. And it's got one in it.
Yep.
An
It's the same one yours is, it looks
6500.
like.
That's good.
I'm sure it works, because these are pretty good. Huh?
Again, you got
Just
some
lack
roof
of
damage up
maintenance.
there.
Well, there's a pass through, they call it, I think. It goes all the way through to the other
okay.
side. So you can access these bits from both sides.
How's the tires look? They got any
Tires
tread on?
look great. I just can't find the date codes on them. They're made in Japan. That's all I can get from it.
Sumitomo. Sumitomo, I guess is the name of them. I never heard of them
How do you
before.
read the date code? That's what I was trying
I don't know. How about the tread? Feel
The
it.
tread looks amazing. They look like brand new tires, but
Oh, really?
usually tires that sit for a long time do, though. I can't tell what the date is, but I suspect that's
Major
our
battery.
Biohazard's that right there. And this is probably the battery compartment.
Big for a battery compartment.
No, that's your
Flush.
Yeah, that's your
Wait,
sewage.
something color up. Look like something leaking.
Sewage. I don't
Got all the
believe that
hoses.
department too much. Another.
Oh, and that goes
bag.
all the way through too.
That goes all the way through. Yep, there's another pass through.
What's this here? Is that
That's the probably the furnace. Another storage.
a lot of storage in this
Yeah, you see
thing.
what rat's nest.
Oh yeah.
It's got a front door, which is nice. Mine don't have that. Oh, that's not good to see. That's probably why it's here.
Got a whiskey bottle in it.
Yeah.
We can't really look inside, folks. The smell is just too strong.
Yeah.
Those tires, that tire matches the back. I don't know about the other ones on the other side. Let me check.
It doesn't look that bad from the window here, from the front.
Yeah. Matching tires. You're taller, can you get a vision from
the
the
inside?
front window? What it looks like inside?
Yeah. I hope it's getting it.
Looks
I can't
it's been
tell.
gutted.
No, I think it got in an accident because you can see the stuff on the roof is like sort of looks like it went through a lot of bumping or something. Yeah, it looks like someone definitely tore it up.
Well, if you decide to buy this, I suggest you come with a gas mask or something, or you're not going to be able to get in it.
Yeah, the Biohazard is the rats. But that's not bad to me. I could handle that.
It's an Atasco Winnebago.
Yeah, Tasca.
Atasco.
Yeah, Winnebago makes these. Did you get the roof at the top?
Yeah, I did.
I believe that lip is designed to go around the radius and hide all that over there, and it's actually lifting up. Which
There is no awning on it or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it ties down to cover that up.
Yeah, it's supposed to go around that radius.
You can see it over there in the
glue
front.
is failed on it. Yeah.
Is it glue or rivets
Yeah,
or
I
what?
think it's tucked into this. You see how it's tucked in at the corner at the front cap?
Yeah.
And then there's glue that supposed to.
Yeah, you
glue
can
down.
see the glue marks on it.
Yeah, and they probably failed from the heat and moisture. And they failed.
Here's your hot water.
And then I'm sure vibration don't help, and it lifted.
All the glass is there though, nothing's broken.
Yeah, other than the roof in this corner, I don't really see.
And the smell. If you can deal with that smell.
Yeah, you have to clean that.
I think it's got what, 58 grand on it? 58,000?
58,000 miles. Yeah.
56,000. So it don't have a lot of miles on it. So that's about all we can do for you on this one. I think it's time to move on to the next one, and we'll see you down the road.
Biohazard.